Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give slide control in Zoom. So let's get started. First of all, start a Zoom meeting and invite the participants to whom you want to give slide control. Open your presentation in PowerPoint and share that specific window. Once your slides are visible, go to the Zoom toolbar at the top and click on Remote Control. From there, select the name of the participant you want to give control to. Now, the participant will be able to control your slides. Make sure both of you have a good internet connection to avoid lag during slide transitions. If you want to stop them from controlling, simply click Remote Control again and choose Stop Remote Control. This feature is a great way to make co-presenting easier without having to say next slide every time. And that's it. Now you know how to give slide control in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.